Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sparkle Kavi. Today I am going to show you how to make this flat zipper pouch. If you are afraid of making bottoms to your bag, then you should try this tutorial definitely. This folded pouch looks thin but holds so many items inside. So without any delay, let's get started. You will need outer fabric which is 9 inches wide and 8 inches long. You will need 2 layers of outer fabric. Lining fabric, same measurement as outer fabric, 2 layers, and 2 layers of medium weight interfacing. 2 pieces of outer fabric for zipper tabs, 1 piece of outer fabric for making strap approximately 4 inches wide by 6 to 7 inches long, and 1 9-inch long zipper. First, fuse the interfacing to both layer of outer fabric with wrong side of fabric facing to the slippery side of interfacing. Make side strap by folding fabric 4 times and iron it. Then make top stitches on both the sides. Cut one end of zipper, then measure 8 inches and mark. Bring the zipper pull inside and cut the remaining zipper. Now take small strips of fabric and make zipper tabs. You can check the detailed tutorial on zipper tabs and link is given in the description box below. Mark the center point by folding outer fabric in half. Fold the zipper in half and mark center point on both the sides. Place the zipper on outer fabric with right side of zipper facing to the right side of fabric. Match the center points and pin. Then place the lining fabric on top of zipper with right side of lining facing to the wrong side of zipper. Align all the sides and pin and make a stitch from top to bottom. Switch the normal pressure foot to zipper foot and make a stitch. Move the zipper pull aside while stitching. Now open the fabric and make it flat by finger press or iron. Then place another outer fabric and lining fabric to the opposite side of zipper. Align everything and make a stitch. Now lay the fabrics flat on both the sides of zipper and make a top stitch with 1/8 inch seam on both the sides of zipper. Keep pulling the lining fabric while stitching for the neat stitch, and that's how it will look from front and back. Now move aside the lining fabric from back and base the side strap to the any one side of fabric approximately half inch down from the zipper. Open the zipper and bring it near to the zipper tab. Remember, it's very important to keep zippers open. Place one outer fabric on another, align all the sides and clip. One question asked me in my other video, which side do you keep your zipper tabs while stitching hole? So the answer is I keep my zipper tabs flat which are attached to the zipper on the lining side and the rest of zipper tabs on the outer fabric side. Place one lining fabric on another, align all sides and clip. Now on lining fabric, start stitching from one point and stitch all the way around with 1/4 inch seam and stop at this point on lining. Leave some space on the lining fabric to turn this bag inside out. Make sure to backstitch at start and end. Lay the seams flat on lining fabric with finger press or iron. Now on outer fabric, measure 1.5 inch from the stitch and draw a line. Do the same on the lining fabric also. Measure 1.5 inch from the stitch and draw a line. Fold the fabric along this line in any side and pin the two layers together. Repeat the same for the lining side also. Now make stitches on previous stitches to both the sides from top to bottom. Make sure to reinforce the stitches at start and end and all the stress points. From this gap in the lining, turn the bag inside out. Lastly, close the gap in the lining by matching the two folded seams with a stitch. Insert the lining fabric inside and your multi-purpose pouch is ready to use. If you like today's tutorial, then please like it, share it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.